Hi EPAG family. I thought I would take this time to show you what kind of items I packed in my Operation Christmas Child boxes and how I was able to get them to fit, because that's important. So I have my own boxes that I found, and these are tennis shoe boxes, and I have a little note that tells the child how much of a blessing it was to pack a box for them. And I have a notebook, and I have some batteries because I included a little light. As you can see, this box is packed full of lots of great things. So I have a little toy, and these are for teenagers. I packed for the age group of 10 to 14. I have 3 girls and 3 boys, and this is a boy box. And I have a little car and a tip: take it out of the package. It allows so much more room. And then, of course, floss. I have a screwdriver, which this is a pretty cool screwdriver that I found at the dollar store, because all of the pieces to the screwdriver are inside. Pretty cool. So then I have boy deodorant. I have a bar of soap and a container because I read a lot on Facebook about how they're swimming in water and their soap drops to the bottom, and they need something that allows their soap to float, preferably. Crayons. I found a card of a deck of Bible heroes, so I included that. Here's the light I was talking about. A ball. This one glows. I made a little sewing kit. And I have this water bottle. And inside the water bottle, I also used every square inch. So I've got toothbrush and a bracelet. And I got glow bracelets. And I packed some string. What boy doesn't need string? And I did 2 toothbrushes. Pens and pencils. And glue stick. Don't use regular liquid glue because you're not allowed to pack anything with liquid, nothing with glass, no candy, no toothpaste, and nothing warlike. And I included a little balloon, because what kid doesn't love balloons? Pencil sharpener. I gave him 2. One looks like a piranha. Tape measure. Special toy, stuffed animal, pair of scissors, good for school supplies, a puzzle. Now, I didn't take this one out of the box because I was able to make this work in this box, but I have other puzzles that I bought for the boys, and I did have to take them out of the box because it just took too much room. And so what I did is I put the cover, I cut the cover out, and I put the cover and the puzzle in Ziploc bags. A bag that I found at the dollar store. I found this little cross, says hope on it, at Walmart for like 88 cents. I included some envelopes. Sometimes they like to write their families back. Some stickers, pad paper. And I found a New Testament in an RV book. A little note that is just says, "For we are God's masterpiece," and then I wrote a little note on the back. Washcloths. I gave them 2, and I got them a t-shirt and a ruler. And now the challenge would be, because I think it took me like 4 times to repack my box until it finally all came together. But thank you so much. Now you have an idea of the kind of things that you can send along with your Operation Christmas Child boxes. We're so excited this year. We're striving for a goal of 300 boxes, and we are so thankful for this Adopt-A-Box opportunity so that we can get as many boxes in as many kids' hands as possible. Thank you so much for being a part of Operation Christmas Child.